This recording is for relaxation purposes. Please don't drive or operate machinery while listening. So, let's just take a few moments to rest and relax. Sink yourself down into your chair and make yourself comfortable. Let my words just flow over you, knowing that for the next few minutes, you can allow yourself to take your mind off your worries and enjoy being in peaceful relaxation. Taking a break to recharge your mind, enabling you to refocus and regain your inner strength. You can start with your eyes open and watch the peaceful picture, or just close your eyes and drift there for just a few minutes. Take in a nice deep breath. Feel it being taken down into your body, and then feel it leaving your body as you gently breathe out. And just for a moment or two, focus on that breath. Your chest rising and falling, your body relaxing. And notice you're breathing in calmness and breathing out your worries. Feeling the tension leaving your body as your shoulders drop and your arms go limp. And feeling yourself sinking down into calm relaxation. Allow your face to relax, letting your jaw drop and perhaps your mouth coming open, just ever so slightly. And those tiny muscles around your eyes softening and allowing your eyes to be soothed and cosseted by your warm eyelids. And I wonder if you can imagine being on this beach, this beautiful, peaceful beach, feeling that lovely, soft, warm sand, and feeling the gentle breeze teasing your skin. The smell of the salt sea air taking your thoughts to this beautiful ocean view. Or perhaps your mind will transport you to a memory of your own beach, or even a seaside adventure, tucked away memories in corners of your mind, dusted off to enjoy and remember. Take yourself there and enjoy the feelings of happiness, relaxation, calmness, fun, whatever your mind gives you to enjoy for these few moments. Letting your mind drift as it dreams, perhaps of faraway places, of adventures or mysteries, wherever your mind takes you for this short break. Enjoy the journey, the adventure, the peace. That's right. Enjoy the view. Enjoy the peace and the joy that your memory gives you. But wherever you've just been, know it has been a welcome break from the day's concerns. And remember, you can always return whenever you want to rest your mind, to give yourself a break, or even an adventure. Being kind to yourself, giving yourself time to rest your mind, just for a few minutes. That's all you need for a mini reboot. That's right. So when you're ready to return to your day, I'd like you to take a nice big rejuvenating breath, feeling yourself being re-energized, revitalized, and ready to re-enter your day with more focus, more calm, more happy, and taking that with you as you open your eyes, wide awake and ready for anything.